That. Pass us that though. Right, hold that.
Yeah, hold that.
Right, go again then. Beautiful that. I'm so late editing this video today. I was in late, but so it's going to be a late post. Things I do for you guys. But guys, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. If you subscribe, any curse that's ever been put on your life will be immediately lifted and you'll get 500 years good luck. It's a fact. Right, this is what happened today. Spotted that light, haven't you?
Yeah, it's nice. It's not bad at all.
Hold up here, hold up. That's gorgeous. I've stolen it.
Ah, mate, go for it. I saw you take one down the alley and I have a camera bag.
Oh, did you? How you going? I'm Gary, mate.
Nice to meet you, Ronan.
That's annoying me, that sign. How you doing, man?
I'm just struggling.
Pass us that though. Right, hold that.
Yeah, hold that.
Right, go again then. Beautiful that is. What do you mean, wow?
I like that.
Perfect.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yo, so cool! How can I get them?
I'll send you them.